How to make a Lyft account. Hello everyone, I am Bisharka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to make a Lyft account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your Lyft application. You can easily download the application from your App Store or your Play Store. Now, once you have opened the application, tap on the Get Started button. You will then be required to enter your phone number. So firstly, select your country or region that you reside in, and further, enter your phone number and tap on the Continue button. Now, you will then receive a verification code in the number you just entered. So go ahead and enter the code and tap on Next, and with this, your Lyft account will be created. You can also create a Lyft account using your Apple ID. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.